Hey guys, welcome back. This is part 3 of the Bao trilogy. We're gonna make sweet potato baos, which is kind of a Western twist on an Asian dish. So let's do this.
Have some good food, plant-based. Welcome to VeganAsian.
Alright, so first things first, we obviously need some ingredients. I have some shredded sweet potato here. This is about one big sweet potato that I put in my machine, so it's nicely shredded. You can also cut it like this, up to you. We just want a nice texture for the sweet potato. Then we have about 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, just store brand. Make sure it is vegan, always check the ingredients. We've got some brown sugar to sweeten it up, some smoked paprika, some cumin, and then for acidity, I have some apple cider vinegar as well. So, how are we gonna do this? Let's move to the pan, get some oil in the hot pan, because we're gonna fry the sweet potatoes straight away. As you will see, this sweet potato has a lot of moisture in it, so that's why we need to bake it as much as we can to get that extra moisture out of it. Oh yeah, it's okay. Right, let's add some spices to this mixture while it's baking away. Also, don't forget, always salt and pepper. Some salt, some pepper. What else? In dry ingredients, I have the little cumin, ground cumin. Add this to the sweet potato. The smoked paprika as well. And this will also make it it will color it a bit more. Right. I'm gonna add the brown sugar. That will crystallize if it will heat up. Don't worry about these lumps. They will crush at some point. So, against that sweetness, we want some acidity. In this case, apple cider vinegar. I will use about 1 tablespoon of this vinegar. Swirl it around. Alright, last but not least, here we go, the barbecue sauce. And this is actually what makes it less Asian, more Western. And it will also give that little stickiness that we do crave in a bao filling. Now, doesn't this look like pulled pork? Nice, sticky. Finally, some more salt and pepper. I'll mix. All right, and that's that. Quick and easy. Nice sweet potato pulled pork to fit with our Chinese baos. And let's assemble one. So, these baos have been steamed before, they're nice and soft, ready to eat, so let's assemble one. Be careful because it's hot, don't let it drip on your fingers. There we go, nice and easy. Let's move on to the veggies. We got some sweet and sour veggies right here. How you make this, just click on the link right here to see how to make this sweet and sour veggies. This is carrot, radish, and red onion. Oh, split some of it. Creating baos is a messy business, as you can see. Some spring onion, top it up with that. Some red peppers to get a little nice heat. Oh. Some sesame seeds for a little crunch. And then some cucumber as well. Top it off with a bit more of your sweet potato filling right here. And there you have it. A nice little bun of sweet potato greatness. And there you have it. Our third way of making a great bao. This is a combination between Western food and Asian food. Sweet potato as a filling like pulled pork, but it's only not pork. You can top it off with some cilantro if you want, up to you. Use more peppers, use more sauce, use whatever you want, whatever you like on your bao. This is the third way of our bao trilogy. Have fun with it, and most importantly, enjoy!